नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे इस YouTube चैनल नॉलेज रडार। दोस्तों, मैं हूं विवेक, इस चैनल का होस्ट, और आप सभी जानते हैं कि आपको यहाँ पे मिलता है एजुकेशनल वीडियो। अगर आप चैनल पर नए आए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, साथ में दिए बेल आइकन पे भी क्लिक कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम टू टाइम वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहे। तो चलिए बिना टाइम गए हम आगे बढ़ते हैं इस वीडियो में।
Welcome to Knowledge Radar, the channel where you stay informed on various topics. Today, we've got some exciting news for freshers. Amazon is hiring. Regardless of your educational background, there's an opportunity for you at the world's largest online retailer. We'll cover everything you need to know in this video. How to apply for Amazon jobs online. Eligibility criteria and selection process. Current job openings at Amazon. Benefits of working at Amazon. Tips and tricks to ace Amazon interviews and tests. So, let's dive right in. Applying for a job at Amazon is a breeze if you follow these steps. Visit Amazon's official job website. Explore the vast array of job opportunities available across different locations and categories. Use filters to narrow down your search by category, team, location, or keyword. Create a profile and upload your resume. Find a suitable job that matches your skills and interests, and click the Apply button. Fill out the online application form, providing personal details, educational qualifications, work experience, and more. Be ready to answer behavioral and technical questions tailored to the role you are applying for. After submission, you'll receive a confirmation email from Amazon and can track your application status on the website. Eligibility criteria. Amazon maintains certain eligibility criteria for its applicants. These typically include a bachelor's degree or higher from a recognized institution, a minimum of 50% marks or equivalent CGPA in your graduation, proficiency in English and Hindi, basic computer knowledge, especially in MS Office applications, willingness to work in shifts and relocate as business requires. Selection process. The selection process at Amazon involves an online assessment that evaluates your aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability, and technical skills. A phone interview assessing communication skills, personality traits, and role fitment. Face-to-face interviews evaluating technical knowledge, behavioral competencies, and leadership potential. A final decision where successful candidates receive offer letters detailing salary, benefits, joining date, and location. Current job openings at Amazon. Amazon offers freshers an array of opportunities. Here are some current job openings. Channel Team Lead, manage a team near Begusarai, handling customer queries through various channels. Software Development Engineer, design, develop, and test software solutions in Hyderabad. Customer Service Associate, provide customer support in Pune, resolving issues professionally. Operations Manager, manage daily operations at a fulfillment center in Chennai, ensuring quality and productivity. Marketing Manager, drive marketing campaigns in Bangalore to boost sales and brand awareness. For more openings, visit Amazon's official job website. Benefits of working at Amazon. Working at Amazon comes with a multitude of benefits and perks. Competitive salary and performance incentives. Comprehensive health insurance and wellness programs. Employee stock options and retirement plans. Flexible work hours and work from home options. Ample opportunities for learning and development. A clear path for career growth and progression. Employee discounts and rewards. A fun and friendly work culture that emphasizes social responsibility and community involvement. Tips and tricks for Amazon interviews and tests. If you are aiming to excel in Amazon interviews and tests, here are some valuable tips. Research Amazon thoroughly. Understand the company's values, culture, and goals. Update your resume. Highlight relevant skills and experiences. Practice online tests. Use resources like Freshers World, Prep Insta, and Geeks for Geeks. Prepare for interviews. Have a stable internet connection, quiet environment, and be ready to answer common questions. Face-to-face interviews. Dress professionally, be punctual, and use the STAR method for answers. Show enthusiasm, humility, and thank your interviewers. That's a wrap for today's video. We hope you found this information useful. If you did, don't forget to like and share it with your friends who are on the hunt for Amazon jobs. For more informative content, subscribe to our channel, Knowledge Radar.
I think आप यहाँ तक आ चुके हैं, so जितना हो सके आप शेयर कीजिए। अगर आपको कुछ डाउट है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में जाकर कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं, और साथ में मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कर सकते हैं। मेरा इंस्टाग्राम आईडी आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा होगा, knowledge1 पे आप जाकर मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं। लिंक उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको मिल जाएगा आईडी का, आप वहां से जाकर मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं। ओके, तो दोस्तों मैं विवेक मिलता हूँ आपसे अगले वीडियो में ऐसे ही एजुकेशनल वीडियोज के साथ। सो दिस इज विवेक साइनिंग ऑफ, थैंक यू एंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट।